Hello, folks. I'm Dave Thompson. I am the director of the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. We're powered by Gem Supply right here in downtown Orlando. Now, one of the things I want to talk to you about today is our concrete care class for 2019. I want to show you how to pick up dollars and not just nickel and diming yourself by, stripping and refinishing floors. You've already got that equipment. I want to show you how to use that equipment to its fullest potential. This is going to be a 3-hour class. It's going to be hands-on. I want to walk you through how to take an old piece of concrete, prep it, maybe remove some of those coatings and things that are on there. I want to show you about how to, recognize the difference between the cream on the concrete and whatever grade of aggregate there is. Now, you've got to hone that, smooth it out, get it ready to polish. And then once you're ready to polish, I'm going to show you how to use the different brushes from Dyma-Brush to get a shiny floor. Now everybody says, how shiny? Well, I'm going to talk to you about that. I'm also going to have a package of tools and equipment that maybe you can upgrade from what you have. Now, if you've watched this video to this point, 20% off if you use the promo code on the Eventbrite sign up, concrete. So please come and join me. We're going to be here polishing some concrete.